everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today, today I'm going to be doing a swipe. My little 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm going to prep it and then we'll begin. But before I do, I wanted to tell you that I was at Hobby Lobby and I was looking around just the empty store, looking at them putting all the Christmas decorations up, which is strangely odd to be putting Christmas decorations up in July, but okay. Anyway, I was just looking around and then I stumbled upon some silicone brushes. Here they are. I got 3 sizes and they're silicone. And I thought, man, that'll be a great idea to swipe. Instead of using paper towels or any other thing that I might use, cardboard or little plastic cutouts or whatnot, I wanted to see how these would work in a swipe. So today we're gonna find out together. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use to swipe with. These are my swiping tools. So, and I'm going to be using all, except for one, Arteza paints. I'm going to be using a Deco Art Metallic Royal Ruby. I'm going to be using Arteza Aztec Gold. Arteza's Brilliant Red. Crimson Red, and Pearl Raspberry. The Pearl Raspberry and the Royal Ruby are the only 2 metallics I'm using today. So I'm going to prep the board and get started. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. What I'm doing right here is I'm tweaking it a little bit. I added a little black paint and some gold. I don't know why I did that, but I ended up changing that off camera. I added an embellishment, which I think made it look so much better. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification button. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now with the embellishment in the middle. I added something to change that little spot that I did in the middle, which I don't know why I did, but here it is. There it is. Now that gold looks so much better. I'm actually kind of glad I did put that black in the middle because it brought the gold out, the gold glitter. It made it stand out because if I hadn't added it, I would have, the gold I believe would have been lost in the paint maybe. You would have been able to see it, but not as well as you can see it with the gold, with the black in the background. So it turned out even better. I'm very happy with it now. Again, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I decided to put black in the center when I was doing it. But what am I doing here? But it did turn out really good. I'm so happy with this, with the different shades of red and the Aztec gold and the other regular gold from Arteza. I love Arteza products. So here it is. The cells. I did add a little bit of silicone oil, so I'm pretty happy with it. So here's the dry results. Ta-da! So yeah, I'm really happy with this painting. This is going to get either a high gloss varnish or resin. I have a couple of weeks before I decide what I'm going to do. Let me know what you think about this painting in the comments below. I love to read your thoughts on it. Guys, again, thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and see you soon. Bye-bye.